A piping system may look complex when you first see it. There are pipes, fittings, valves, flanges, supports, instruments, and many lines of information on a drawing. But when you know how to read a piping isometric, the drawing starts to tell a clear story. Welcome to Piping Isometrics Mastery. I'm Eldar, and I will guide you step by step through the practical knowledge you need to understand piping isometric drawings with confidence. This course is for beginners, pipe fitters, maintenance technicians, supervisors, engineering students, and anyone who needs to understand the information shown on a piping drawing. An isometric is more than a technical sketch. It tells us how a piping line is routed in 3 dimensions. It shows the size of the pipe, the fittings and valves used, the direction and position of the line, important dimensions, material information, and the details needed to plan fabrication or installation. By the end of this course, you will be able to look at a piping isometric and understand what you are seeing. You will know how to identify common components and symbols, follow a line through the drawing, read essential notes and dimensions, and prepare a simple plan before work begins. We will begin with the foundations: pipe, fittings, flanges, valves, supports, piping codes, and equipment. Then we will move into the core of the course: reading isometrics, understanding symbols and codes, drawing isometrics, and practicing with real examples. Do not worry if you are completely new. We will build the knowledge step by step. Pause the lessons when you need to, use the quizzes to check your understanding, and return to the examples as often as you like. One important note: this course builds understanding and practical awareness. Your actual work must always follow approved drawings, project specifications, local requirements, site procedures, and the responsible engineer. Bring your curiosity, take your time, and focus on understanding one part of the drawing at a time. Let's begin.